YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to Mind and Monster TV. And today, we got a new project to the channel. Let's get it.
Mind and Monster TV. Valentine game. And let's walk the world, Craig. Big old what it do, cuz let's ride.
Mountain monster on the screen, but we build it, we don't buy it. Box Chevy at the light, Cam chopping, don't you try it. 26 28, yeah, we lift it, then we slide it. Mountain monster
TV.
taking off, now watch me fly it.
Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey. Project Keisha, yeah, she straight out the bricks. Brown skin shining, but she sitting on 6. 2002 when she first hit the street. GMC Denali, but she answered the Keisha. Yeah. Project Keisha, yeah, she loud when she speak. Chrome grill smiling every time she creep. From the block to the highway, diva on repeat. She a Yukon Denali, but she feel like Keisha. Met her in the practice, paint kinda faded. 2002 Denali, leather seat suede. Third row folded, room for the crew. AOD grip when we slide through. 6 ain't on hard, yeah, she breathe through the pipe. Cold air intake got her sounding like life. Pearl white glow on the street like beams. Everybody think Keisha just a hood girl dream. Candy paint dripping like lip gloss shine. 22-inch heels, yeah, she sit just fine. Both system knocking like a project dog. Bass hit heavy, make the neighbors want war. Sunroof crack, let the summer breeze in. Project Keisha got the whole hood grinning. Denali bag shining, attitude spicy. Treat her like a queen, grinning and pricey. Project Keisha, yeah, she straight out the brick. Brown skin shine, but she sitting on 6. GM 2002 when she first hit the street. GMC Denali, but she answered the key. Project Keisha, yeah, she loud when she speak. Chrome grill smiling every time she creep. From the block to the highway, diva on repeat. She a Yukon Denali, but she feel like Keisha. From the bricks to the boulevard, glow up. Fresh detail wax, got her nose up. LED eyes when she pull up slow. Everybody whisper that go Keisha for sure.
All right, that's the new project. We're going to work on it today. Try to come up with a name. I think I came up with a name for, if y'all remember my Honda, I had big plans for that Honda, but I ended up selling it. But my Honda was called Ratchet Ebony. Now, this right here is Project Keisha. This Project Keisha. So, you see the wheels, right? So the wheels, they decent or whatever, but I only have 3 of them. So I need a set. And it's probably the best tires out of all 4. Back here we got a spare. And you can tell because it's dry rotted. Good tread, but dry rotted. So I was like, you know what? Let me go up Marketplace and see what I can find, man. Get me a little set. You know what I'm saying? Matching set. Look at that. And boom, came up with these bad boys right here. These 18s. 275, 65 18s. You know what I'm saying? Wrapped in Goodyear Wranglers. Good tread on them too, you know. For the 250, for the nifty 250. Can't beat it. Just got it. Just got Project Keisha. And last night, I went ahead and addressed the check engine light, which was a O2 sensor downstream. So I will change both of them. Check engine light is off now. This thing is pulling wicked to the left. So, and the steering wheel is to the right a little bit. So, with that being said, first order of business, because I got a 1 o'clock appointment at the alignment shop. Let me get these fresh sets. And I know these are Dodge, right? But if you didn't know, same lug pattern, six and a half, 6.5, 6 by 5.5. Same lug pattern. I tried them before I gave old boy the money or whatever. But yeah, I'm about to let's put these on so we can pull up on the alignment shop and get this thing aligned. Let's get it. All right. Start with the rear left. That thing off in the air. So let's go ahead and get this thing removed. Two down. That jump looks so much better already. The truck looked rough, but they took good care of it. 263,000 miles. It's got new axles up front. They made an attempt to keep it going. So the airbag's good, the air shock's good. Y'all know these and the Escalade came with the air shocks. What's going on, Kingston? You good? Huh? I'm working. Looks so much better. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments what y'all think about how she's sitting now. I think it's a whole lot better. Project Keisha, y'all. Oh yeah, heat and AC work. Sunroof open. Sunroof work. Matter of fact, we'll leave it down. Now I close it. Only thing don't work, driver window. Driver window is a no-go. So hopefully with this new set of tires, I don't get to pulling to the left. As y'all know, that could be a major reason why your car pulled to the left. So let's drive this thing to the alignment shop. Let's get an alignment. I'll cut y'all back on when I get there. All right, guess what's going on, y'all? So the fresh tires or whatever eliminated the pulling to the left. So we ain't pulling to the left no more. So that was definitely the mismatch tires and uneven worn tires and all that. So that's good. About to get on this highway. See how the balance on these tires are. But yeah, had to update y'all real quick. Look, mine no hands. Going straight. You feel me? But alright. To the alignment shop, folks. Yeah.
Hey, yeah, hey. Project Keisha, yeah, she straight out the bricks. Brown skin shining, but she sitting on 6. 2002 when she first hit the streets. GMC Denali, but she answered the Keisha. Yeah. Project Keisha, yeah, she loud when she speak. Chrome grill smiling every time she creep. From the block to the highway, diva on repeat. She a Yukon Denali, but she feel like Keisha. Met her in the practice, paint kinda faded. 2002 Denali, leather seat suede.
Tracks on it. That's pretty dope. Let me show y'all. Look at this bad boy. Wee. Little track kit on it. That's dope, man. I need me one of these for the property. I don't need the tracks though, but I need the UTV. Oh yeah. What y'all think about this with a track kit on it? All right, alignment success. They say I need some axle boots or whatever, but they're just trying to upsell you. You know how that go. But Next order of business. Brakes. So I did the driver's side front already. Just wrapped the driver's side, passenger side up right now. I'm about to put this wheel back on. And then we're gonna move on to the back. Alright. We are done with the brakes. So brakes all the way around. Did the O2 sensors. Got the new wheels. One more order of business. So I picked up this thing right here. It's gonna be the haul machine right here. So with that being said, I need some trailer brakes. There's no trailer brakes in here. It's all fun and games till you can't stop your rig. So went and grab that bad boy right there. Wire harness for the truck. I think I'm gonna mount that thing somewhere. Probably somewhere in here. Probably right here. They got two holes right here already. It's like it was made for it or something. But the harness plug up in here. Starting to lose daylight, but I do want to show y'all how it's done, just in case somebody watching and you know what I'm saying, they don't know what to do. I already took the course, you know what I'm saying, YouTube college, you feel me? I already took the lesson for this, so I already know what to do, but I'm gonna try my best to keep y'all posted. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. So this is the trailer brake controller I bought. This is the Brakeman 4. You know what I'm saying? You can actuate the trailer brakes manually. And it's also designed to use your factory brake pedal. So you could set this how it intensifies, how much pressure you get. You could adjust it for delay. So if you hit the brake pedal, you know, 2 seconds, a second and a half later, you have trailer brakes. So it's a lot of configuration. You know what I'm saying, you could do with this. But basically, this plugs in into your wire harness. Let me show y'all this real quick. So it plugs into here. And this plugs into your module down there that gives you brake pedal response and communication. You can hardwire this if you want into your system. You know. But why do that when plug and play? You feel me? Alright. I'm about to take this cover off right here. Alright, got the box off. Well, it's tight down here. So basically, it plugs in. I probably can't even see that. See them two slots to your top left? It plugs into one on the right hand side. That's your module controller. So let me plug that in right now. and get that situated before I mount up the unit. Okay. All right, so that's plugged up. So now we plug the module, the controller, plugged up in here. That's it. So after that, you know what I'm saying? Get your mounting on. Boom. I probably put mine right there. You know what I'm saying? I already got 2 holes. Boom, boom. So let me go ahead and mount my bracket, tuck my wire, and put my cover back on. And when I get done with that, I'll cut y'all back on. All right, we mount it up. So we good to go. See your gain right here, how much brake pressure you want. And over here is the delay. I'm gonna test it out once I got the trailer hooked up, but that's it right here, guys. That's a wrap. All right, about to do some cable management, make it tidy under there, get my zip tie on. And that's it for this video, man. So if y'all enjoyed, make sure y'all click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share this with somebody who you think, enjoyed this content. So, Mounted Monster TV.
Project Keisha, yeah, she straight out the bricks. Brown skin shining, but she sitting on 6. 2002 when she first hit the street. GMC Denali, but she answered the Keisha. Yeah, Project Keisha.